Hello, everyone. Welcome to Easy English Chat, the podcast where you can learn English by listening to real conversations.
Yeah, we talk about daily life, simple topics, and useful English expressions. And today's topic is waking up early.
Oh, yes, the thing everyone wants to do, but few people actually do.
That's so true. I always plan to wake up early, but somehow my bed loves me too much.
Yeah, I think my bed loves me too. But, waking up early really makes a difference.
So, Emma, why do you think it's good to wake up early?
Well, when I wake up early, I feel calm. The world is quiet, there's no noise, and I can plan my day.
That's true. For me, it's about time. When I get up early, I don't have to rush. I can eat breakfast slowly, maybe read something, or even stretch a bit.
Exactly. And early mornings give you a feeling of control, like you are ahead of the day, not behind it.
Yeah, it's like you're the boss of your day.
But let's be honest, it's not easy to wake up early.
Totally. Especially when you sleep late scrolling on your phone.
Haha, I know. So, what do you usually do to wake up early?
Hmm, to be honest, I try to sleep early, but it doesn't always work. So I put my alarm far away from my bed. That way, I have to get up to turn it off.
That's smart. I do something similar. I also open my curtains before I sleep. When sunlight comes in, it wakes me naturally.
Oh, nice. I think light really helps. Sometimes I even tell myself, tomorrow morning I will wake up early. Just saying it before bed helps me mentally prepare.
Yeah, it's all about mindset. If you want to wake up early, your brain starts to believe it.
Okay, so for our listeners who want to start waking up early, what are some easy tips?
All right. Number 1, go to bed earlier. Even 15 minutes earlier each night can help.
Good one. Number 2, don't use your phone before sleeping. That blue light keeps your brain awake.
Exactly. Number 3, plan something nice for the morning, like your favorite breakfast or music. It gives you a reason to get up.
Ooh, I love that. When I know there's coffee waiting for me, I jump out of bed.
Ha! And number 4, be kind to yourself. If you fail one day, don't give up. Try again tomorrow.
Yes, waking up early is not a competition. It's a habit you build slowly.
Ryan, I think waking up early isn't just about time. It's about peace.
That's true. The morning is like a gift, quiet, fresh, and full of new chances.
Beautifully said. So, listeners, maybe tomorrow, try waking up a bit earlier. Enjoy that quiet time and notice how it makes you feel.
And while you're at it, listen to us again.
Haha, yes, listen to Easy English Chat in the morning. It's the perfect start to your day.
All right, everyone. That's it for today's episode, How to Rise Early in the Morning.
If you enjoyed this chat, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends.
See you in the next episode.
Bye bye.
Bye-bye.